Alright, so here we go with a nice long question to finish with. Let's go and have a little look, see what's happening here. Sammy wished to investigate the performance of 120 students on their recent maths and physics. There's a sample of 12 students, right? And from that sample of 12, we want to make some kind of inference about how the whole population did, right? So a sample of 12. So let's go for the first part. Describe how the 12 students could have been selected if Sammy used convenience sampling. Well, just as the word suggests, it's actually convenient. So Sammy could have just asked, her 12 friends, because that would be convenient, right? Or maybe when she just walked to the cafe, she might have asked the 12 people in a queue, right? It's just convenient, however you can get those 12 people, or literally just stood outside and asked the first 12 people that walked past. These are all examples of a convenience sample, right? B, however, is a little bit better because this will be a little bit more reliable in terms of trying to think about what happens with the whole population, right? Imagine Sammy's a fantastic physicist and her 12 or their 12 friends actually are also great physicists, so that might be a biased sample, right? Maybe when Sammy goes to the cafe and asks the 12 people in a queue, maybe these 12 people are skipping class, right? And that might not be a representation of the entire population. But B, in terms of a systematic sampling method, will be a better representation. So a classic here is to have literally a whole list of the names of all 120 people, right, in the grade level. So all of this represents 120. And if we want to take a sample of 12, you can see that we want every 10th person. So literally you could just take the first person and then every 10th person you would then take it, right, every 10th. That's a systematic sample. Now notice it doesn't mean you just have to have a system. A system might be going to ask 12 people in the plaza or something like that. A systematic sample is something like this. You could even randomly select one of the first 10 by kind of, spinning a spinner and then do every 10th person from there. That might be even better, but it's okay just to put, every 10th person on a list. So that's a systematic sample. And then, maybe we'll just leave it for there for now, and then I'll do 3 separate videos for this.